Well guys, I'm fixing to take you on a video walking tour of the Royal Promenade here on the Allure of the Seas. I'm standing on deck 6 looking down at it. We're fixing to go down these stairs. It's a port day, so there's not a lot of people here. I'll try to throw in a few video clips of what it looks like down here when there is people here though, so let's get started. That fountain right there, that right there is actually a bar that goes from deck 8 down to deck 6, and I'll throw a video clip in right here what it looks like in motion. Just kind of look, I've got the Hess and Parrot bar. Kind of do a circle around the end, then I'll go down the middle. There's the port shopping desk. Yeah, looks like regalia. And here's everybody's favorite guest services. Actually, not hardly many people here today. There's the Cafe Promenade if you just want to get you a quick bite. Looks like we've got a classic car. I'll show you more of it in a minute. We look over here, the collection looks like some high-end purses. I don't know what kind of car that is. I'm sure somebody does. Leave me a comment what it is. There's Next Cruise. If you want to book a cruise while you're on a cruise, that's probably the place to do it. There's Pandora, probably a jewelry store. To the right, there's Sorrento's. If you're looking for some pizza, that's the place. Bow and Stern, I believe that's a bar. Got a lot of places to sit. Walk on down. Got some shops here. There's Solera. I'll let you say the name because I'll say it wrong. There's the shop. That's where you buy all the souvenirs for Royal Caribbean. But they got some nice places to sit out here. And there's Bolero's. That's a bar. And over on this side is On Air. That's also a nice big bar. And I know they play trivia in these places. You're into Starbucks. We got a Starbucks right up here. Well, I'm gonna go up on deck 6 and I'll show you kind of looking down from this end what it looks like. Well, I'm up here on deck 6 looking down into the Royal Promenade. Well guys, I sure hope you enjoyed that video walking tour of the Royal Promenade here on deck 5 on the Allure of the Seas. Hey, if you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, check out my other cruise videos on the end screen coming up. Till next time, happy cruising.